Then variation of molar conductivity with concentration for weak electrolyte. Okay, we know that on dilution what happens? Volume increases and the concentration decreases. So what degree of diffusion? We know that here I have already degree of diffusion increases and the number of ions also increases. So what happens? Molar conductivity ultimately or equivalent conductivity ultimately what it increases. Okay, ultimately it increases. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if you draw the graph for molar conductivity versus concentration, square root of concentration. Right. This is for formic acid and this is for acetic acid. And if this is a formic acid, the molar conductivity of formic acid is greater than what? Acetic acid. Okay. But here we cannot apply D by Hacker rule here for infinite for weak electrolyte. For weak electrolyte, we cannot apply D by Hacker rule. Hacker equation. Because why? Because we are not able to calculate the molar conductivity on infinite dilution because in weak electrolyte, because it is not completely diluted. Okay, we cannot
Yes,
calculate molar conductivity at infinite dilution. So here we are not able to apply the D by Hacker rule. That is why D by Hacker rule has limitation that it is only applicable in case of only strong electrolytes. Okay, for weak electrolytes we apply Colruyt law, very important. So for weak electrolytes, so Colruyt law is applicable for both. It is applicable for weak electrolytes also, strong electrolytes. For Colruyt law, for weak electrolytes, we apply Colruyt law. And Colruyt law, for Colruyt law we can point both. For weak electrolytes also, strong electrolytes also. Okay. So
yes, sir.
Colruyt law, and one portion definitely going to come from Colruyt law. It is for sure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have written this?
Yes, sir. Done.
कौन सा ले आओ हमारे तू आएगा तो फिर जाना पड़ेगा क्या हुआ कौन सा ले आओ Colross law. And Colross law is what? Colross law is also known as, or we can also say that Colross law. Law of independent migration of ants. Okay. Colross law for independent migration of ants. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is said that for the inclined television for weak electrolyte equal to molar conductivity of electrolyte equal to of cations plus molar conductivity and vibration of anions. Anions. Got it?
Yes, sir.
For example, if it is written as molar conductivity of NaCl, so by applying the Kohl's law, we can write molar conductivity of the vibration of Na plus plus molar conductivity of Cl minus. We add them as an addition. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So if B volume of cations and anions are present, this is for single volume. Okay. So if we have molar conductivity for V volume of the total of cations and V minus of anions, the molar conductivity can be written as of electrolyte. And inside dilution can be written as V total of cations, molar conductivity of cations plus V total volume of positive charge, volume negative charge, molar conductivity of anions. Okay. So written.
Once again, sir.
For example, if it is written as like this, molar conductivity of Al2 SO4 price. So we can write it like what? This is how many aluminum I'm going to form? 2. There's 2 molar conductivity of Al3 plus 5 molar conductivity of an ion, that is SO4 2 minus. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is valid for, and this is valid for this column for both strong and weak electrolyte. Even for both strong electrolyte also weak electrolyte. Okay?
So what do you say? Your voice was getting cut.
And this is the value for both strong electrolyte as well as weak electrolyte. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, done.
So I am giving you a question, very important. The molar conductivity of NaCl at infinite dilution, this strong electrolyte is given as 120 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse, and that is how what molar conductivity of HCl is given as 420 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse, and molar conductivity of COO Na, that is sodium acetate, is given as 90 centimeters per mole inverse. So we have to find the molar conductivity of citric acid because it is a weak acid and or a strong acid. Okay, got it? So,
Yes, sir.
so we can write the equation like for the first equation we know that for the first equation we know that molar conductivity of what NaCl Na plus how we are going to solve it, plus molar conductivity of Cl minus equal to what? NaCl, that is 125. This is first equation. Okay. Then molar conductivity of H plus molar conductivity of Cl minus, it is what? 420. Okay. Then
Yes, sir. Okay.
molar conductivity of CH3 is Na plus and CH3 COO minus will be what? 9. We have to calculate the molar conductivity and implied dilution. Okay. Of COONH. Okay. So what we can do? We can subtract equation number 1 from 2. When we subtract equation, so how we have to find the value. So what? So for this acetic acid, what will be the equation? For 4, the equation will be what? Molar conductivity of H plus ion plus molar conductivity of what? CH3 COO minus ion will give your molar conductivity of what? CH3 COOH. Okay. Can you clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So if you
Yes, sir.
get the molar conductivity H plus ion and CH ion, so what we can do? First subtract equation number 1 from 3. When we subtract equation number 1 from 3, Na get cancelled out. Okay. And we get the molar conductivity of CH3OH minus and Cl minus. Okay.
Oh,
if
yes, sir.
If we subtract equation 3 from 1, what we get? So if we subtract it, so I am writing here. 3 is here.
So it will be 3 minus 1, right? We're doing 3
Yeah.
minus 1, right?
Yeah. So CS3 COO minus. So if we subtract it, this is 90. We subtract it, CS3 NF plus CL minus. This is 125. When you subtract it, what happens? This is minus, this is minus. This will get cancelled out. So it will be molar conductivity of CH3COH minus molar conductivity of Cl plus will be equal to minus 45. Okay. Got it? Minus 35. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
add to second. When we add to second equation, molar conductivity of H plus ion plus molar conductivity of Cl minus ion plus 420. So this will get cancelled out. So we'll get what? The required equation. That's CH3 CO minus plus CH plus, and we'll get what? This is 395. Okay? 385. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is how we are going to calculate. Okay?
Yes, done.
So I will give you more questions. So today I am having only 1 hour class because I have to go somewhere. Tomorrow we will solve more question of Colrasco. Okay? Okay? Are you Nikhilesh, are you doing the practice question?
Yes, sir, I'm doing practice questions. Yes, sir.
Because we are going to complete in the next class. I think we are going to complete it. Okay. Only
Yes, sir.
questions are left. So in the next class, that is tomorrow, we are going to complete it. So I will be forwarding you more questions, and from next class we will start that kinetic, capital kinetics. Okay.
Yes, sir. By any chance, today can we have a half an hour class later on? Because on Wednesday the exam is there, right? That's fine.
Okay. Okay. Because on Wednesday,
Yes, sir.
chemistry exam.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Okay. That is pre-board, no?
Yes, sir. This is pre-board, yeah.
Yeah. So, what I will tell, can we have class or one class or at 3:30 Indian time, half an hour?
3:30. 1
Uh,
second, sir.
it will be 2 for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's fine, sir.
For half an hour class, okay?
Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
We will do that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.